This is an example of a simultaneous equation. Okay, what is a simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equation, this is an equation usually having two variables. When I say two variables, I mean two unknown. Okay, the two unknown is usually represented as x and y. As in this case now, I'm having x, I'm having y. Now to solve a simultaneous equation, we use three ways. The first one is elimination method. The second one is substitution method, while the other one is what? Graphical method. So these are the three ways in solving a simultaneous equation. Now let me solve this question now using elimination method. Follow me. I have 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Now this is the first equation. Then I have x plus 2y equals to minus 3. Now I want to use elimination method to solve this. Okay, let me call this equation 1. Let me call this equation 2. To use elimination method, this is what I will do. I will make one of the variables to be the same in terms of coefficients. Now, x here, the coefficient of x here is 3. The coefficient of y here is 2. Now, in this case, x here, the coefficient of x here, there's nothing here, which is 1. Okay, but we don't write 1s. 1s is same as x. Alright. Now, for y here, the coefficient of y here is 2. When we say coefficient, what we mean by coefficient is the number in front of that letter. The number in front of that letter is what we call coefficient. Okay, now the coefficient of s here is 3, the coefficient of s here is 1. I will make these two to have the same coefficient. To do that, here is 3, I will multiply everything here by 3. Here is 1, I will multiply everything here by 1. So that the coefficient here and the coefficient here will be the same. Now let's continue. So 1 times this, I will have 3x minus multiply this 2y equals to 7. This will give me 3x plus 6y equals to minus 9. Okay, I use this one to multiply everything. I got this. I use this to multiply everything. I got this. Now you notice that the coefficient here and the coefficient here are the same. Now since they are the same, I will subtract. So 3s minus 3s, this will go. You will have 0. Okay, now minus 2y minus plus 6y. See, this is where students usually make mistake in solving this type of question. Okay, minus 2y minus plus 6y. I will suggest, if you are the type that have problem in all these negative symbol, adding or subtracting negative symbol, when you get to this point, slow down a bit. Alright, so you don't make mistake, because making mistake will affect your entire answer. Alright, minus 2y minus plus 6y. Let me write it out. Minus 2y minus plus 6y. Minus plus will give me minus. So I have minus 2y minus 6y, which is what? Minus 8y. These two will give me minus 8y. Alright. So these two, I have minus 8y. Now equals to, now look at this now, 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9. That is 7 minus 9. Minus will give me plus. So meaning I have 7 plus 9. That will give me what? 16. That will give me 16. Okay. So this now, I have what? 16. Now to get y, I will divide both sides by minus 8. That is the coefficient of y, which is minus 8. We have minus 8 over minus 8. This will cancel this. Okay. 8 here 1, 8 here 2. So I have y equals to, there's negative sign here, minus, then 2. That's my answer. Okay, I've gotten y as minus 2. Now what I will do is this, I will substitute this y that I've gotten as minus 2 into either equation 1 or equation 2 to get x. Alright, so let me use equation 1. I have 3s minus 2y equals to 7. Now where I see y, I will put minus 2. I will substitute minus 2. So I have 3x minus 2 bracket. Now y is what? Minus 2 equals to 7. Okay. Now I have 3s minus times this minus plus 2 times this 2, 4, then equals to what? 7. I'll collect items. I'll move this here, which is 3s equals to 7 minus 4. Okay, so I will have 3s equals to, subtract this 2, you have 3. Now, to get s, what will I do? I will divide, to get s, what will I do? I will divide this side by 3. So I have over 3 over 3. This and this will go. So my s is equals to, you can cancel this, I have 1. So these are my answers. Y is -2, s is what? 1.